got that mad love, we got that sad.
Hello everyone and welcome back to today's pink haul video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Fabiola and I post all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor videos here on this channel. If that's something you're into, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. I do post a lot of pink content, so make sure to follow me there as well. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So like I said, this is a pink haul video, part number 2. I did actually post a video a couple of weeks ago, but there was so many items that I wanted to post and it was going to be a huge video. So instead of that, I kind of divided them in two. So this is part 2 of that haul. So I'm going to start off with some jewelry. I actually went to this event this past weekend. It's called Bloggers Live Boston. It's basically a group of bloggers and YouTubers in my area and it was so much fun. It was a shopping party at the Kendra Scott store and the girls there were so sweet. They were so helpful. One of these pieces is actually custom, so you can customize your jewelry. They have like many different stones and beautiful colors. So everything comes packaged in a little cute little velour dust bag, so I'm going to show you first the piece that I created. And I did tell the girl that I wanted something pink because I love pink. So I ended up making this beautiful ring. Look how pretty. And it is a darker shade of pink. It does have like little speckles so that in the sunlight it's going to kind of give like a little reflection. So I thought this was beautiful and it looks so pretty. I am in love. So I got a necklace to go with it. And this is from their original line. I will post everything, by the way, down below. It's so beautiful. I am so much into like the vibrant pink color, like the Barbie pink color. So next I have some makeup from the Sephora VIB sale. I only picked up a few items. I didn't go too crazy. I'm trying not to overbuy things that I don't need. I feel like I have so much right now that I don't even get to use. So I'm trying to slow down and only get what I need, and that's why I didn't really go too crazy this time. But I did pick up a few items that I needed and wanted to try. So I got the Too Faced Hangover RX. This is the mini size. It's the 20 ml. And I got this because I wanted to try it out and my skin is super dry. But I also wanted to try it first before purchasing the bigger size. That's why I got the small one. Excited to try this out. I also picked up another thing that I've been eyeing from the Too Faced collection, and it is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Natural Chocolate Cocoa Powder Bronzer. And oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this packaging. Look how stunning it is. It's like pink. And I'm definitely going to use that. It is very, very pigmented. I don't know if you can see it there, but it gives you like a nice natural glow. And I do use this a lot to contour. So I'll be very happy to try this one. And then the last thing I got is something for my skin. And it is from a brand that I've tried before and really love. It is the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Cream. I hope I'm saying that right. And it looks like this. Super pretty packaging, and it's supposed to like hydrate your skin. Has no scent, nothing, but it is so hydrating. Like I already used this and I was like, oh my goodness, this literally just like feels amazing and incredible in my skin. So highly recommend this, and this is great to apply before your foundation, especially if you have dry skin. So moving on to these next items. These are all mirrors. I am obsessed with mirrors. I love them. So I have a couple new ones to use in my room. The first one here I actually found at Tjmaxx, and it's this adorable Impressions Vanity Hello Kitty mirror. It is absolutely stunning. stunning. It is so beautiful. It lights up. It does use batteries, or you can also use a USB charger. So pretty. And they do have these at Tjmaxx, so if you have a Tjmaxx near you, run and get it because it is adorable. This next one that I have here, I actually won in a giveaway. I never win anything on any giveaways, and this is actually a brand that I really love, and I actually used to have their Vanity mirror. I had it for many years. It was my first mirror, and I ended up giving that to my mom, and then I got like a different mirror. But I follow them on Instagram, and I saw they had a giveaway for this like mini mirror. I entered it and I won. Like, I couldn't believe it. So I ended up getting a mini mirror, and then I also got a bunch of makeup from Grande Cosmetics because they were doing a collaboration together. So I am thrilled. It is the Ricky Loves Ricky Skinny Mirror. This is the box, and it is absolutely beautiful. So it's like the mini version of the big one. Basically, it has like a magnetic phone clip. It has a 5x mirror, so when you're doing like your eyebrows or like really detailed makeup, you can literally see everything. It does have a little cord, so you can just plug it into the wall. It is rechargeable, which is what I like about this mirror. It does have 5 different shades of light, so you can dim it down, which is amazing. So next up, I have another mini mirror. This is a compact mirror that you can just literally throw in your purse, and it's also from Impressions Vanity, and I found this at Tjmaxx as well. This was only $16, I believe, and it is rechargeable, which is great. And look how pretty it is. It is so beautiful. It has like 2 sides, and then you just press this and it turns on. Like, this is incredible. I am obsessed with it, and it's pink. So definitely run to Tjmaxx. They have lots of cute things right now. Last mirror, I promise. This is the last one. I told you I went crazy with mirrors. I did get a full-length mirror, and I've been wanting to get this mirror for the longest time, and I finally did it. I really thought about it, and it was something that I would really love and use a lot. So I ended up getting this from Amazon, from the brand Luxy Fernie. I'll list them down below, but oh my goodness, this is the most beautiful full-length mirror ever. It has dimmable lights, and you can just turn it on and off with the press of just the button that's on the mirror. So it's like touch, you just touch it and it turns on. It is incredible. The quality is amazing. Honestly, compared to the Impressions Vanity, it is so much more affordable. This one here, I believe, was only like $249 versus like over $800 at Impressions Vanity, and you get the same quality, same results, everything. Highly recommend this mirror. It is beautiful, and it looks so pretty when you're doing like photos, like selfie photos of your outfit, or you just want to see what your outfit looks like. So definitely check it out. I'll link it down below. This is like the best purchase ever that I've made, honestly. So moving on to something other than mirrors, I have some shoes, and these shoes are so beautiful. They remind me of like Cinderella shoes, like princess shoes. They're from the brand 7 or 9. I'll list their website down below, but they have so many styles. They have boots, flats, they have like high heels, like sandals for weddings, for parties, you name it. And the best thing about these shoes is that they have like little pieces, little accessories that you can add to the shoes to kind of change it up and make it more glam. And these were actually sent out to me from this company, 7 or 9. So thank you so much to them for being so sweet and allowing me to try these shoes and review them. So let me go ahead and open it so you can see what it looks like. So pretty. It says name your style and mark your road, and their box is beautiful. It looks like it has like clouds. So it does come with a dust bag. They do include this here so you can measure your feet. And here are the shoes. They do come individually wrapped. in their own bag. So I'll list the name of the shoes that I got down here. And I did get these in a size 7.5, which is size 39. They remind me of like a princess. Look how stunning. Like everything about these shoes, it's so luxurious. It's beautiful. Like these shoes are everything. And I'm so glad I chose this color. I think it's going to go perfect with a lot of different outfits. So here they are together. So the next thing I got is something to go with the shoes. These are like little straps that you can add to the shoes to glam them up. These shoes are extremely comfortable. Highly recommend them. They are absolutely adorable. Like I am obsessed with these shoes and I can't wait to wear them to a party or for a night out whenever I'm wearing like a beautiful outfit. So I will leave the link to the website 7 or 9 as well as these gorgeous shoes down in my description, so make sure to check it out. Like I said, they do have many styles. So that was everything for today's haul video part 2. Make sure to check the description bar below for all the links and details on the products I mentioned. I hope you all have an amazing and incredible day. I love you all so much and I'll see you all next time. Bye.